Most workplace problems don't come from bad intentions. They come from miscommunication, a vague message, a missed deadline, a confusing email. These small issues add up. In this training, we'll learn how to communicate clearly, respectfully, and effectively, so work moves forward with fewer mistakes, fewer delays, and stronger relationships. Effective communication means shared understanding and clear next steps. It's not about saying more, it's about being understood. That requires clarity, context, and confirmation. Communication is a loop. It starts with the sender who has a purpose. They choose a message and a channel, like chat, email, or a meeting. The receiver interprets the message based on their own context. The loop only closes when the receiver confirms understanding. Without that feedback, communication is incomplete. For example, if you say, "Can you handle that report soon?" you might mean today. The other person might think you mean this week. Closing the loop means saying, "Can you send the final report by 3 p.m. today?" and getting a yes in return. To communicate effectively, use the 6 C's plus empathy. Clear. Be specific. Say Q2 sales deck by 2 p.m. instead of that thing ASAP. Concise. Respect attention. Use short, structured messages. Start with the purpose, then key details, then the ask. Complete. Include what the person needs, background, constraints, and what success looks like. Correct. Double-check names, dates, and numbers. Small errors cause big confusion. Contextual. Explain why something matters. We need this by 2 p.m. so the client can review before 5. Courteous. Use a respectful tone. Say, "Thanks for your help," instead of, "Why isn't this done?" Empathetic. Think about the other person's workload, stress, and perspective. Tailor your message accordingly. Now, let's look at common barriers and how to fix them. Assumptions. Don't expect others to read your mind. Use phrases like, "just to confirm," or, "when you say X, do you mean Y?" Jargon. Avoid department-specific terms unless you define them. Instead of "update the KPI dashboard for QBR," say "update the key metrics dashboard for the quarterly business review." Emotional escalation. If you feel tension rising, typing faster, using all caps, blaming, pause. Switch to a call. Focus on the issue, not the person. Say, "Let's solve this together." Power distance. Some people hesitate to speak up. Invite questions. Say, "Thanks for raising that," or "What am I missing?" Cultural differences. People vary in tone, pacing, and comfort with disagreement. Don't assume. Clarify expectations. Avoid sarcasm in writing. Next, let's talk about choosing the right communication channel. Use chat tools like Slack or Teams for quick coordination. Use email for formal decisions, detailed context, or external communication. Use meetings for complex decisions or sensitive topics. Use calls or video when tone matters or there's ambiguity. Use project tools like Asana or Jira for tracking tasks and ownership. Match the channel to the message. If it's urgent and unclear, don't send an email. Call. If it's routine and trackable, don't call. Use a shared doc. Now, digital etiquette. In chat, use threads. Don't assign work without context. Use @mentions sparingly. Avoid vague tone. In email, use a clear subject line. Put the ask at the top. Include deadlines and owners. In meetings, share an agenda. Invite only necessary people. End with decisions and action items. Communication is a skill. Build it through habits. Ask better questions. What does success look like? What's the priority? Confirm understanding. Let me repeat back what I heard. Summarize. End messages in meetings with next steps. Separate facts from interpretations. The report was delivered Friday. Fact. I expected it Wednesday. Expectation. Give feedback. Be timely, specific, and focused on behavior and impact. Listen actively. Don't interrupt. Reflect what you heard. Document decisions in a place the team can access. Managers play a key role in communication culture. Set norms, define response times, meeting rules, and documentation expectations. Model clarity. Write clear requests, avoid vague urgency. Invite input. Say, who hasn't spoken yet, or what risks are we ignoring? Reward candor. Thank people for raising issues. Make decisions visible. Summarize outcomes, owners, and deadlines. Be consistent. Apply the same standards to everyone. Use inclusive meeting tactics. Share agendas in advance. Use round-robin input. Encourage chat participation. Define acronyms. Rotate facilitation. Instead of asking, any questions, and moving on, try, what questions do you have? Then pause. Silence often means people are thinking. Let's recap. Effective communication means shared understanding and action. Use the 6 C's: clear, concise, complete, correct, contextual, courteous, plus empathy. Close the loop. Choose the right channel. Reduce barriers. Build habits. And, if you're a manager, model and reinforce these behaviors. Now, a quick quiz. Question 1. What does closing the communication loop mean? A. Sending more messages. B. Confirming understanding and next steps. B. Question 2. Which channel is best for a sensitive misunderstanding? A. Group chat. B. Email. C. Quick call or video. C. Question 3. What's an example of clarity? A. Soon. B. By Thursday, 3 p.m., final version. B. Thanks for watching. Now apply what you've learned. Rewrite one vague message today using the 6 C's. Share it with your team. Let's make communication better together.